Welcome to the fascinating world of neural networks, where artificial intelligence begins to mimic the human brain. Today, we'll break down complex AI concepts into simple, colorful visuals that make learning fun and accessible for everyone. Meet our cheerful neuron mascot, who will guide us step by step on this beginner-friendly journey into AI. Let's start with the basics. What is a neural network, and why are they so important in artificial intelligence today? Imagine a group of enthusiastic friends passing notes in class, each one contributing a bit of knowledge to the final answer. Just like those friends, neural networks work by sharing information in layers, helping computers learn patterns. Each neuron in a network acts like a tiny messenger, taking signals from their neighbors, combining them, and deciding what to send next. Our neuron mascot represents one of these busy messengers, always exchanging information and learning from patterns over time. With every exchange, the network gets a little smarter, just like we do. Neural networks are built using layers, which stack together like a perfectly organized sandwich. At the front, the input layer acts like the bread, taking in raw data from the world, images, sounds, or text. Our mascot welcomes these ingredients, ready to begin the delicious learning process in the next layer. After the input, information journeys through several hidden layers, each one analyzing and transforming the data further. Imagine an assembly line, where each section adds new toppings, flavors, and secrets to our neural sandwich. The mascot supervises the process, ensuring every detail is considered, making learning smarter with each step. Finally, the output layer reveals the finished result, a decision, a prediction, or an answer. Just like slicing the sandwich to see the perfect layers inside, neural networks deliver insights based on all their inner workings. Our mascot proudly presents the result, representing the clarity and logic AI can offer when guided correctly. But how do neural networks actually learn from mistakes and successes? They use a process called training, where the network adjusts its pathways in response to feedback, just like a student correcting answers in a workbook. Guided by this trial and error, our mascot learns to make smarter choices with every attempt. Over time, these networks develop the ability to recognize patterns in complex data, like spotting faces in a sea of images or understanding voices through noise. The more patterns they process, the better they get. Much like humans who practice a new skill, consistent learning shapes a smarter, more capable network. Neural networks today power amazing tools, from smart assistants to medical diagnostics and beyond. As we demystify these networks with clear visuals and relatable stories, you'll find AI isn't magic, it's logical, step-by-step progress. Our mascot reminds us that anyone can understand, and even harness, the power of neural networks with a bit of patience. Thanks for joining our journey into the basics of neural networks, guided by our ever-enthusiastic neuron mascot. Stay curious, and keep exploring how technology shapes our world with every breakthrough in AI. Don't forget to subscribe for more colorful, beginner-friendly guides. Let's keep making artificial intelligence clear, one step at a time.